Welcome back, everybody, and today we are going over the Harbor Freight Super Coupon deals that are going on from June 22nd to July 5th. Let's go ahead and get started. First category we're going to be in is going to be power tools and accessories. And starting off this row, we have the Hercules 15 amp, 66 pound, 1 1/8 inch hex breaker hammer with a maximum vibration control for $529.99. Saving you $120 off. That is a smoking deal on that. Then we got the Bauer 12-inch, 1 1/4 horsepower disc sander for $169.99. And that is $30 off. Not a bad deal on that. Finishing off this row, we've got the Bauer 20-volt cordless 18-gauge brad nailer, tool only for $79.99. $40 off. That is another great deal. Starting off this row, we got the Bauer 7 amp 4.5 inch slide switch angle grinder for $22.99, 23% off. That is another good deal. Next up here, we have the Bauer 10 amp 1 1/8 inch SDS type variable speed rotary hammer for $79.99, $15 off. That's an alright deal. Finishing off this row, we got the Bauer 10 amp 4 inch by 24 inch variable speed belt sander for $69.99. But this is under our 15% threshold. If you need it, I would pick it up. If not, I would wait for a better deal on it. Starting off this row, we got the Hercules 4 amp 1/4 inch die grinder for $59.99. Just below our threshold once again at 14% off. I would probably pick it up if I need it though. Same thing with this one here. We got the Bauer 4.5 inch diamond turbo cup wheel, $29.99, only 14% off. For it being a consumable at this price, I would probably pick this one up also, even though it's below the 15%. And then finishing off this row, we got the Drill Master 2.4 amp trim router for $21.99, 26% off. That is a good deal, but this is one of Harbor Freight's lower brands. So if you're going to use it real heavily, I would probably step up to something else. If you're only going to use it a few times, I would probably pick this up. Starting off this row, we got something new from Bauer here. We got the 4.5 inch 24 grit Type 27 metal grinding wheels 10 pack for $9.99, 41% off. That is a smoking deal on that. Next up, we have the Chicago Electric Power Tools high speed steel rotary saw blade set 6-piece, $7.99, 30% off. That is another great deal. And finishing off this row, we got the Hercules 12 inch 7-11 TPI multi-material demolition reciprocating saw blades, a 3-pack for $9.99, 23% off. That is another good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Hercules finger sanding backing pad for oscillating multi-tools, $7.99 at 20% off. That's a good deal. Then we got a Hercules, a 4.5 inch 24T general purpose circular saw blade for $9.99, 23% off. That is a great deal for a blade that size. And then finishing off this row, we got the Hercules Diamond Grit Hole Saw Set, 3-piece for $19.99, 28% off. That is another good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Hercules 4.5 inch bimetal hole saw, $22.99, 14% off, just below our threshold. But something with this price, I would probably snag it up at that price. Then we got the Hercules T25 impact rated steel 1 inch and 2 inch star bit set. This is going to be an 8-piece for $4.99, 28% off. That's another good deal on that one. Finishing off this row, we got the Grants 3-inch universal pads, 2-pack, $6.99, 22% off. That is another good one here. It also says available in heavy cut microfiber, compounding, polishing, and finishing foam, just in case you want the different ones. Next up here, we got the Grand 6-inch universal pads, your choice, $7.99, 20% off. And once again, you got the compounding, polishing, finishing foam 1-pack, or the heavy cut microfiber for a 2-pack on those. Not a bad deal at all. And it is summertime now, and it is a great time to have these big fans in your garage if you need them. First off, we got the Central Machinery 30-inch 3-speed pedestal high-velocity shop fan for $119.99, $50 off. Not a bad deal. Then we got their 24-inch 2-speed high-velocity shop fan for $119.99, $30 off on that one. And finishing off this section, we got something new from Central Machine. We got the 24-inch wall mount fan for $119.99, $30 off. That's not a bad deal. Now we're moving on to hand tools, and this is one of my favorite categories. And the first thing we have here is a Doyle Lifetime Guarantee 4.5 inch swivel vise with the anvil and the pipe jaws, $99.99, $50 off. That's a good deal on that. Next up here, we have a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, multi-bit precision screwdriver set, 34 piece, $6.99, 36% off. That is another good deal. And here we go. If you need some impact sockets in a 3/4 drive, we got the Quinn lifetime warranty, 3/4 inch drive, deep impact socket set, 8 piece for $59.99. 14% off, just below our threshold, but I would probably snag those up if you guys need them. And they are available in standard and metric. Starting off this row, we got some more Quinn stuff. We got the Quinn lifetime warranty, 3/8 inch drive, SAE and metric spark plug socket set, 14 piece for $59.99, 25% off. Not a bad deal on that. Then we got some Icon lifetime guarantee on these also. 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive professional deep e-torque socket set, 13 piece for $29.99, 25% off. That's a good deal for some Icon sockets. And then finishing off this row, we got Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 6-bit impact screwdriver set with case, $5.99, 40% off. That is a smoking deal, where these would come in handy if you ever do brake jobs and they got the screws in the rotors holding them on. That's where something like this would come in handy for you. Starting off this row, we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 36 inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader, $6.99, only 12% off. I would definitely hold off on this unless you need it. I would wait for like the under 20% off coupons when they do something like that to snag this up. Next up here, we got another Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 60 inch aluminum F-style bar clamp for $14.99, 25% off. That is a good deal. And then finishing off this row, we got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 5-inch C-clamp, $4.99, 16% off. Great time to pick up a C-clamp. You can use these to hold things together, to cut them, drill them, depending on what kind of brake setup you got. If you don't have any special brake tools, you can use these to push the piston back in on your brake calipers. A lot of good uses for these. Next up in this row, we've got the Pittsburgh multi-use saw set, 11 piece, $12.99, 35% off, and it looks like this has a couple of different uses to it. Looks like something pretty handy for $12.99 at that percent. I'd probably pick that up. Then we got a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 3/16 inch by 3-inch slotted screwdriver for $149, 25% off. Great deal for a screwdriver with a lifetime warranty. And the same way with this one, we got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, number 1 times 3-inch Phillips screwdriver for $149.99, 25% off. Basically, these two screwdrivers right here would cover a lot of your needs. So at $1.49, how could you go wrong? Next category is going to be air tools and compressors, and the very first thing we have on this is going to be the Fortress 26-gallon, 175 PSI, ultra-quiet, oil-free, vertical shop auto air compressor, $349.99, $50 off, not a bad deal. Then we got the McGraw 21-gallon, 175 PSI, oil-free, vertical shop and auto air compressor. This is going to be $239.99, $30 off. That's an alright deal on that. And then finishing off this row, we got the McGraw 8-gallon, 150 PSI oil-free horizontal shop auto air compressor, $139.99. That's going to be $20 off, and that's an alright deal on that one also. Starting off this row, we got the Pierce 15-degree professional coil siding nailer for $209.99, $20 off. That's an alright deal. And then finishing off this section, we've got the Central Pneumatic 100-foot manual steel air hose reel, $19.99, 20% off. That is a good deal. And here we got another good category, tool storage and organization, one of my other favorites. We've got a US General 27-inch by 22-inch roll cabinet. This is going to be $359.99, $40 off, not a bad deal. And you got them in these 9 colors, and they do got the new purple on those, not bad. And then you don't see this go on sale very often, and this ain't really a good sale if you ask me. You got the Yukon 48-inch workbench with light for $109.99, but it's only $10 off. I would like to see more off on that personally. And then finishing off this row, I've actually got these and really like them. The magnetic hook set 4-pack for $299, 40% off. These have a good multi-use. I picked them up, I think, when they were free. Like right now, I've got 4 of them sitting on the side of my pew-pew cabinet, and I got my slingshots hanging off of them. And then out in the garage, I got a steel rack, and I got them hanging on the side, and I have all my funnels, oil funnels hanging off of them. Plenty of good uses for these. Leave a comment down below on what you use them for. Next up here, we have the Storehouse 30-bin wall mount parts rack for $14.99, 25% off, not a bad deal at all. Then we got the US General hanging tool cabinet for $89.99, $10 off. That's all right. I'd like to see a little bit more on that one also. Now we're moving to automotive, one of my other favorite categories here. And the first thing we've got here is a Badlands Apex 12,000 pound winch with a synthetic rope and wireless remote for $529.99, $70 off, not a bad deal. Then we got the Badlands ZXR 5,000 pound UTV sport utility winch with automatic load holding brake for $159.99, $20 off. That's an all right deal. Then we have a Icon 1-year warranty on this, the R134A AC manifold gauge set for $159.99, $40 off. That's a pretty good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 2,000 pound low profile transmission jack for $279.99, $100 off. That's a good deal. Then we got some more Pittsburgh. We got the 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack for $39.99, 33% off. That is a great deal on that. And then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 10-ton portable hydraulic equipment kit, $189.99, $70 off. That is another good deal. Starting off this row, we got a Viking 1700 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack for $159.99, $30 off on that. That's an all right deal. Then we got a Daytona 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack with a rapid pump for $189.99, $40 off. This would be a good jack if you have a car, but if you have anything like an SUV or anything, then this one would not probably be high enough for you on that. Leave a comment down below if you got the 2-ton one. I like to hear your thoughts on that. Then we got the Hallmaster 1,467 pound capacity, 2-inch by 20 foot E-track ratcheting tie down, $7.99, 33% off. That is a great deal. Starting off this row, we got the Kenway 12-volt submersible LED trailer light 2-pack for $29.99, 25% off. That's a good deal. Next up here, we got a Hallmaster 1.5-ton lever manual chain hoist. This is going to be $109.99, $20 off. That's an all right deal on that one. And finishing off this row, we've got a 10-ounce compressed air for $4.99, 28% off. That's a good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Hallmaster rationing cargo bar for $19.99, 33% off. That's a good deal. Then we got a Badlands 60-inch farm jack for $79.99, $30 off. That's an all right deal on that one also. Finishing off this row, we got the Hallmaster 5/8-inch trailer ball mount lock with the 2 keys for $849, 34% off. Not a bad deal at all on that. Next up here, we have a Hallmaster 1/4-inch by 4-foot trailer safety chain for $699, 22% off. Not a bad deal on that. Then we got the Hallmaster 5/8-inch rotating locking hitch pin with 2 keys, $799, 42% off. That's a great deal. Then we got some Gojo scrubbing towel 72 count for $12.99. That is 27% off. That is a great deal for some scrubbing towels. Starting off this row, we got the Maddox manual bead breaker for $59.99, 33% off. That is a great deal if you do your own stuff at home where you need to break some tires loose. Mostly if you got go-karts, golf carts, anything like that, trailer tires, this would come in handy for it. Then we got the Maddox trim panel scraper set, 12-piece, $14.99, 25% off on that. Then we got some more Maddox stuff here. We've got the rear axle bearing puller set, 3-piece for $19.99, 33% off. Great deal to get this. I would snag this up if you guys need something like this. All right, now finishing off this section here, we have a 1-gallon tube sealant. This is going to be $26.49, 24% off, and this is from Slime. That is a good deal on that. And then the last thing we got here is going to be, in this section anyways, the Icon 1-year guarantee R1234YF AC manifold gauge set for $169.99, $30 off on that. Not a bad deal. Now we're moving on to generators and engines, and this time we've only got one thing. We've got a Predator 25-foot by 10 gauge 4-prong twist lock 30 amp L4-30 generator extension cord for $49.99, and it's only 10% off. To me, that is not a good deal. Now we're moving into lawn and garden, and the first thing we have in lawn and garden is going to be a Vanguard 100-foot by 16/3 gauge indoor/outdoor extension cord, $24.99 at 16% off. That's an all right deal. Next up here, we have an Atlas 80-volt brushless cordless auger with the 6-inch dual fluted auger bit, tool only, $249.99, $40 off. That's an alright deal. Then we got a 4-gallon backpack chemical sprayer, $39.99, 16% off. That is an alright deal. Starting off this row, we got the Drummond 12-volt DC transfer pump, 290 GPH for $47.99, 20% off. That's an alright deal. Then we got the Drummond 1-horsepower portable sprinkler pump. This one is 1075 GPH. That's going to be $119.99 at $20 off. That's an alright deal. And then we got the Drummond compensate pump for $49.99, 16% off. Next category is going to be home and security, and we only got a couple of things in this one also. We've got the Central Machine 6-pound dual drum rotary rock tumbler, $49.99, 37% off. Now, not only can you tumble rocks in these, I've actually used an older version of this, and I used it to tumble my brass for reloading, just for an idea for you guys, until I bought a better one that was a little bit bigger. Then finishing off this section, we got the Quinn Lifetime Warranty Electronics Repair Kit, 87-piece, $29.99, 25% off. Not a bad deal on that. Next category is welding, and we only got a couple of things this time around in this also. We got the Vulcan 500-pound capacity heavy-duty large welding cabinet, $349.99, $50 off. That's an alright deal. And then we got the Berger brand new TIG welding accessory kit for $69.99. It's only 12% off, but at this price point, I would probably pick that up if you need it. Next category we got here is plumbing, and we only got one thing offered in plumbing here, and that is going to be the Central Machinery 3/8-inch to 2-inch rationing pipe threader set, 10-piece for $74.99, 16% off. That's an alright deal. Next up here we have electrical, and we only got one item in this one also. We got a Doyle lifetime guarantee heavy duty rationing crimper, $19.99, 20% off. Not a bad deal on that. Next up here we're moving to building and construction, and we only got a couple of things in this one also. We got the Doyle lifetime guarantee 12-inch professional rafter square, $15.29, only 10% off though. To me that's not a good deal. Then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 6-inch torpedo level with a magnetic strip for $179, 28% off. Not a bad deal at all if you need a smaller level. Next category is going to be painting, and we only got a couple of things in this one also. These sections are not very long on these this time around. We got the Avante airless paint primer and Saint Back. Next category we got here is painting, and there's only a couple of things in this one also. Not a lot of stuff going on in some of these categories this time around. We got the Avante airless paint primer and stain sprayer, $199.99, $50 off on that. That's an alright deal. And then we got the Black Widow 0.3 mm, 0.5 mm gravity feed dual action airbrush for $59.99, 25% off. And now we're moving into lighting, and in lighting, the last section we have here is going to be the Braun 1400 lumen hands-free rechargeable headlamp, $27.99 at 20% off. And then finishing this off, we got something new from Braun, 750 lumen LED portable work light with a rotating handle stand, $12.99, only 13% off, but that's not a bad deal. This is another one of those. Unless you want it because it's new, I would wait until you got the 20% off under 20 or one of those other better deal coupons like that. And there you have it. There are the super coupon deals at Harbor Freight that are going on from June 22nd to July 5th. A lot of good deals going on. I'd like to hear from you guys down below. What do you guys want to get? Or is there any disappointments that you guys have with these deals? Leave that comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, don't forget to check out my description down there. I have my link tree that does have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.